It's at the other end. I'll see. Huh?
Look at him.
That's the real like size.
Asking $2,500. This is a lot of snow. I mean, you come in here in the winter time.
Look at the airplane landing.
Catherine, where are you?
She's right here.
Don't ever try to open that window, okay, honey?
Why?
Because the alarm will sound. And the fire department will come.
Do you want to fall down there?
You guys, you have,
You can have this room, right?
you're gonna sleep here.
God, there's like an airport here, isn't there?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a picture. A celebration of the artist.
Some McDonald's down there.
Wow. It is?
Yeah?
Rainbow.
Art.
Rainbow.
Yeah. I have a here. Caesar. Roman? You think they have a Caesar dressing?
Okay, honey, I'm not gonna video you.
So I can keep my luggage in.
I'm not gonna video you. Oh, you have it there.
Yeah, I was just saying if it worked.
Wild situation. And, you know our loyalty. We call them
Make sure you get Caesar's Palace.
I like the flamingo. It's pretty.
She says,
So Caesar's Palace.
I will open my purse if you need to bring your purse.
all
But
wine?
I just bring this.
Oh whoa, like,
It looks pretty good.
dude.
Ooh! Look what it did, Catherine.
Senin sen lava derim ya tutacak.
Öyle.
Yeah.
Ah! It's a real loud sound too when you're down there.
Evet.
It sounds just like a volcano.
Hi.
Whoa, look! Look, you missed it. Whoa, look at that. You see flashes going off, people taking pictures? See that down there?
See people taking pictures.
Yeah, you see flashes? Yeah?
And Uncle Josh right there the other day.
it wasn't like on the waterfall, it was just fire because
Oh, it was just fire?
the pirates have 4 or 5 shows there.
Push the button, please. Ding, ding. This one always goes string like that.
Everybody just.
Alright, now we go to
B, not Egypt.
Good night.
Daddy,
Yes, honey.
I wanted to go on the wrong elevator to see what was there.
It throws me down every time.
You know the worst? But I know. Later, it was sweetness.
Oh, sweet.
I guess we can.
Okay,
I'm
hon.
going to kick you.
All right. Go on and sit there. Oh, Kathy, what is that one? What's that one, hon? What's the other one? Oh, not fast. Okay, just not rolling.
Bikini bullfighting.
Or margarita? The big tall one?
Yeah, I guess they were tall. I like the short. They don't cater to the high rollers, just the low rollers. She can't see it.
I can see it. I got it.
Good.
God.
We cannot afford this. That's exactly the reason.
Some business families, suppose you always every day. Wszystko działa?
Daddy, what color was it? I thought you didn't love you.
I do, but I don't. No, not that one. This one. That's finished.
The red one?
Rio. It's called Rio.
Rio?
Rio.
Thank you, honey.
Mommy, what number is 4.5?
4.5. Looks like a period.
What?
It looks like a period. It's a little dot.
So that's one building.
One building,
The
yes,
exterior looks like it.
Uh-huh.
What have we got at the Treasure Island? Not the what?
Are those all windows?
Yeah, I guess.
BJ said the elevator went up slanted.
Actually, the elevator should be right in the center and just go straight up. That was such a freaky feeling on the 30th floor.